Welcome guys, let's refresh the basics related to Flutter. The link for this website is provided below. We type our coding here, and our output will be displayed in the console. We use void main here, non-return function. Let's get some text as output using print statement. Remember to use the quotes symbol. Now, we got the output. Let's see how to use strings. Here, we have declared the name as string. Let's print it. Remember, don't use quotes symbol, as we need to print the content defined as name. Fine, we got the output. As we are declaring the identifiers, that is name and using, so it is called as declaration. Written comments using / won't take part in the code. We have got the same output. Instead, we can use another method called definition by directly declaring the identifier. Here, we do some changes to identify whether it works or not. Now, let's see how the dynamic function works. We have declared num as 11. And, we are changing it now. Inside print function, we are calling num. But, we don't know which num will execute. So, here you can understand that, while using dynamic, the latest declaration will get executed. Now, let's see how to print integer and character without using its own data types, but by using variable function. Yeah, here we got it. Now, let's see how to do function call. Declaring a function edit of string data type. And return garage to the main function. Now call the function inside the main function. When we run this, the edit within the main function calls it, so it returns garage to the main function, and we save it in ed. Now let's print ed. Now if we run this, we will get coda as a part, and the garage in the second line. Instead of using this method, we can simply put an arrow, which means equal to symbol, followed by greater than symbol, to return the value to the main function. Let's do some changes to see the output. No problem if you don't understand it, as we will see in the next tutorial.